Okay, so this one's gonna have slight talking in it because I've got like 10 minutes to do this. So yeah, you're gonna get the like low voice again. So this is obviously Got7. Yeah. Also, if you hear anything going on in the background, people are cleaning and renovating. So that's a thing. I'm also sick because of stupid weather. And yeah, for everyone that asked about newest, I have to actually edit that because I had to do that one silently. So I have to do a voiceover for it. Yeah, ignore my sniffles. But yeah, okay, first of all, this is like nice paper, like it's smooth. I don't understand why it's only half page, but whatever. And this is like recycled cardboard. But I mean, cool. I also didn't think I would get these, because weren't these like pre-order only? But like, I don't know, maybe they had extra, who knows. So, I'm gonna start with the, oh, that's not extra, that's just a random, okay, cool. We'll get to you later then. Shouldn't there be, stuff. Aw. Cutie. Cutie. Hello? See, I just love the contrast between, like, he's adorable and hello. Ooh, I like the backs. I really like the backs of these. And then I know that there are different little pizza slices, puzzle pieces, whatever. If anyone has Yu-Gi-Oh! I'll trade. That's just me being me. Alrighty. I don't want to bend this, but like, there's no way to not. Like, this is gonna get bent. I don't know how to like not make it. Whatever. Okay. Okay. They're using that yellow filter. I thought it said mitochondria, and I was like, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. I seriously thought that said mitochondria. I need to not. I'm on cold medicine right now, though, so... Seriously, the weather's, like, killing me right now. It's not okay. Also, these pages here, this is a lot of blank pages I'm seeing going on. To be fair, they're doing full page on the other side, so... It's not as bad as Bobby's album, but I'm still a little perturbed. But I mean, I guess you get the extra... Damn, that's a good picture. The extra postcard book. That's my baby. That is my child. I raised him myself. Look how good he grew up. Look how good he grew up. What the hell is this? No, you're having so much fun. What is this? I want to tear this out. This is not okay. You can't... Is this the lyric book? I think, yeah, this is the lyric book. It's literally, like, in here. I can't... What? Okay. I can't do that, because that's too hard. The heck is this? It's gonna be grumpy. A lot of people are... That's a good picture. I say people. A lot of, what are they? The people who design all the albums and stuff, like, they're adding in a lot of blank pages. Like, they'll do cool artsy stuff like this, but then they're just So many blank pages these days, guys. I'm not about that life. See, this is cool. Like, why can't we do more of this? I know, see, this is cool. But a lot of people are like, oh, those are the pages they signed during the fan signs. I've been to fan signs. I've been to a lot of fan signs. These are not the pages that they sign. I mean, you could, but like, usually it'll be, like pages like these, where it has the member on it. They'll sign that. Like, I would totally have Mark sign that. I want to see Mark again. I have a selfie with Mark. Fun fact. He asked if I wanted a selfie, and I was like, heck yeah! I'm not gonna say no. I'm crazy. Mark asked you for a selfie. You take the selfie. I wanted one with Yu-Gi-Oh! But I mean, I'm not gonna complain. Oh, baby. I actually like his yellow hair, okay? Maybe that's just me, or maybe it's just because it looks orange there, but like, this yellow filter though, not okay. Mint. I like mint. JYP staff. So which one of you put the blank pages in here, eh? Eh? Which one of you was it? Business. What? It literally lists like 2 p.m. twice. Susie. Like, why are they in here? This is all JYP staff. What the actual... Aha, contents production. Okay. Mixing, mastering, video, photographer. Album directing and design. Kim Bo-hyun. You. We need to have some words about these blank pages. Oh, shoot, the CD. Why? They're all these little, like, slide-out things, seriously. That's not bad. The 7 is, like, I don't know if you can, I'm trying to move it so you can see. But the 7s are, like, the holographic CD material. I don't know, it's cool. I'm gonna slide that back in there. Slide you in there. Try not to crush the triangle. God, this one's like so much softer. It says, I don't know if you can see that, but it has an F up here. O. R. Did this one have that? It did. Cool. And then it has like a, ooh, Shanna 7. And some bumps from where the CD is. Whatever, whatever. Wait, are the lyric books like different faces too? No, they're not. Okay. It's just... Alrighty. Hey, we got Mark and Bam Bam. I like how they stylized his name on there. It's cool, it's cool. Jin Young's little pizza slice. Gotta remember to call him Jin Young. I still call him Junior. I still do it. I feel bad for it, but I still. What is this? What? Huh? 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 Okay. Just gonna whatever. Ignore that. Ugh, this is not. It's this little like half book in the middle thing. It's throwing everything off. Damn. I know what some of y'all are gonna say about that picture. Don't do it, y'all children. Don't be saying. Don't be saying them nasty things I hear y'all be saying. You are too young for that ish. Too young. Some of the things I hear y'all talking about and saying. Way too young. It's not okay. Damn. He too young. Making faces like that. He needs to not. That'd be great. And this is just the same, like, weird little half book type thing. Still with these, I know it's probably like a sunset kind of a thing, but like, it's so yellow. Like, Yugim's hair blends in. Teehee. I made a joke. It's a bad joke. Is it just me, or do they look like, not different, but just different? Is that just me? Like, they don't, especially, Youngjae. Maybe it's just, like, the style that they went for this comeback, or something, but he looks, oh! Got a little note. Oh. Another little note. See, these I would be good to have them sign. Like, this is good. I'm okay with stuff like this. This is the kind of shit that you would have them sign. See, I don't know, he looks different. And not like, I'm not saying like, oh, he's had plastic surgery. No, it doesn't look like he's had surgery or anything. He just looks, oh Lord, Bam Bam, your handwriting's a little worse than mine there. I don't know, just puberty, I guess? I don't know how, he's still in his early 20s, right? See? Okay, I'm sorry, but like, he looks different. Maybe it's the forehead. I'm not, it's gonna bother me, and I'm never gonna know the answer. $20? He tried to strangle him right after that photo was taken. $20. I've seen enough Got7 on TV to know they're mildly violent with each other. See? Does he not look I'm sorry. I'll let it go. I'll let it go. I'll let it go for now. Only for now. If that shit persists in the next comeback. Lilac's not bad, but we still like Mint better. And by we, I mean me. By me, I mean all of you, because you're watching this, therefore. You like Mint by association. I guess we should do these. Oh. Oh. They're actual postcards. They're like thick. Teehee. Ooh, that's a good Bam Bam one. I hugged Bam Bam once upon a time. He's a sweetie. I like this. Yeah, Bam Bam is a sweetie. So is Jackson, but I wasn't able to get closer to Jackson, so. They're not the same, they're not the same, they're not the same. Praise the Lord, they're not the same. Oh, look how cute he is. You know, I'm sad because I also have, oh, I'm sorry, people get triggered by me tapping things. Sorry. From their concert, I have, stuff from him. I went all out for their concert. So, that's how I got the selfie and everything. I like these. I like these better than the photo book. Maybe that's just me. but yeah, I like them better than the book. Oh, put my little pizza slices back in. Swoop. Like, if I could have this with the mint instead of the yellow with the mint, I'd be a happy bean, but I guess not. Oh, and how much were these? I don't actually know. I think they were 15? 15 or 16. Because even with New West, the total was only like 60 something. So I think they're around $15, $16. So it's not bad. It's actually really good. So, yeah, I might actually refilm New West since I still have some time to do this. So New West will be coming up shortly after this. And, yeah, that's it. And, oh, I did want to ask you guys, I meant to do this in the beginning of the video, but there are a lot of comebacks and stuff happening, and I can't do all of them. So let me know down below which groups you guys want me to do. Because, I mean, yeah, if you guys don't pick, then I'll have to pick, and then I'm not good at picking, and I'm very indecisive. So let me know which groups or comebacks or debuts you guys want me to cover. And yeah, that's basically how I'm going to be picking how I do these from now on. So let me know. Bye.